Hi, magical viewers. Remember, I told you that we will have more updates this month. And here it is, our other update. And it's the home stretch. More updates, more announcements, things like that. Very excited to do another unboxing with you. And I'd like to dedicate this video to Eagle Laura, who is actually very well known in our Twitch community. And amazing friend and also an amazing gamer. So very exciting. Thank you so much for being part of the YouTube tier. This video, this book unboxing, is dedicated to you, Eagle Laura. And we have more dedications to come. This time it's we did a hardcover and softcover sample, but now we're going to do the hardcover and softcover unboxing, but with the large amount of boxes. You'll see. Let me share with you. As you can see, numerous boxes, so many. We have so many exciting orders to fulfill. All these boxes, they're all in my living room right now. We have so many units, and I would have enough for conventions as well. I'm hoping that there'll be more orders in the future so we can possibly restock. Here's to hoping for restocking, right? Because that's the goal ultimately, just to keep, creating these volumes. Oh, there it is. And then you could just hear like the crinkling. Yes, so fresh. The books, they have that new book smell, like the scent of like a book just waiting to be discovered. And look at the gold sheen. That's the gold foil. I am so happy we get to do that. I actually was just very much looking forward to seeing how it will look like on the hardcover, because initially on the hardcover sample we have the gold foil just on the words themselves, and on the logo there's no gold foil, but for the large orders, after I spoke with the vendor, we have gold foil on the actual logo itself, the hourglass. It's amazing. Look at the shine, everything. So nice. Look at that. And already I wanted to bring up some hype for volume 2. So I just wanted everyone to be excited about that. And look at how thick the book is. If you're gonna get a good reading, you'll be able to sit down, grab a mug, grab some hot chocolate. The weather is perfect for it. Some coffee, pumpkin frappuccino, anything. Oh, peppermint frappuccino. I don't know, whatever you prefer to drink, or just regular water, whatever you like. Sit down, read this book, enjoy all the images, the beautiful pictures. Look at the tagline, everything, the interior, purple page, the inside of the cover. Look, it's just very crafted with care. I just try to think of ways to make this a great experience for you as well, because I feel like it's important when you're going to get and receive a physical copy of something that's near and dear to my heart, and I feel like it's very entertaining for those that really enjoy anime and manga, and especially those that are missing the experience of when they were young, of when they, picked up a Viz book or, Tokyo Pop back in the day. And I just wanted to bring that experience back. And I just want to have that moment of like heart to heart. And I want you to know that this is from me. So it looks so nice, such high quality. I really want to make sure that this would last for you and would last through so many rereads, and for anyone that wants to borrow the book from you. Because I remember when I did that when I was younger, I couldn't afford so many of the comic books that I read, and sometimes I'll go to the library, or sometimes some of my classmates would have something that I want to read, and this is just something that I want to have last for quite a while for you. So I'm hoping that you get to flip through it, enjoy the images, the pictures. Oh my gosh, so nice. And I was just testing out like the thickness of the pages, and I just couldn't stop admiring the craftsmanship of the books. So I just, wow, it's just so nice. It's just, look at the shine of everything. These books, they're actually better than what the samples were. So as you remember, when I opened the hardcover sample and the softcover sample, and then I shared that video with you, I was very excited for what came out of the mail. But these, oh, it looks so dang good, guys. It is, oh gosh, like, I'm so happy that I put in the extra to make sure that it's durable and it's nice. And I feel like the quality of the story would match the quality of the physical copies of the books themselves. So I'm so excited. I can't wait until you guys feel it with your own hands. Very, very excited. Oh, look at that. And then you can see in the background some of my Halloween decorations. You can probably, was that Deadpool? Deadpool's in the background as well. One Punch Man was also next to Deadpool. I think I kind of like moved some things in the background a little bit. Oh gosh. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just like constantly admiring the books over and over again. Oh, and there goes the first page, and I wanted to share, oh, dedication page. That's nice. Yes, the dedication. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Wow, I just feel overwhelmed with emotions. Just being able to reach the goal. It's just, I was just shocked. Oh, there's One Punch Man, and there's Deadpool. They're best friends. They're buddies. And I hope that you know every step of the way that I am working hard and I'm trying to get these out there, trying to make sure that we're ready for convention season. So yeah, we have a lot of work ahead of ourselves, but this is a step. This is the beginning step. So it's just very exciting, and I feel like we can just keep going, because when it comes to just fulfillment, there's a system to be had, right? Right now, like, I can honestly say that just having the books in our possession at the moment, it alleviates a lot of the stress, because anything can go wrong with delivery. So I'm just trying to make sure that, if things do happen to go wrong, I will keep you in the loop. And so far, so good. We're making good timing on our timeline, and we're just gonna have to keep doing what we're doing. So we're doing a good job so far. So it was quite a bit juggling everything, but yeah, I feel like we're in a better groove of things. And I have purchased items that, will help us with the shipping. And I will be sharing the unboxing for those items as well, because I want to be able to weigh the packages properly, and then also have the shipping labels done here, in home base, because I don't have another office like at a site anywhere. So right now, storage is in my home. So we're just trying to put everything together. Oh, voila. As you can see, look at that. Oh, you guys, there's a lot of boxes. There's a lot of books. I was serious with the goal for Kickstarter. When anyone asked me, like, why can't you do, I couldn't do a lower goal. I couldn't, because I wanted to start off with all these books, because it's a strong start to what we're trying to do with Monster Candy Publishing, Jackie and the Magical Guys. It's what we needed to get done. So the Kickstarter was sending that rocket ship into space that we really need, and just launching us there to where we want to be. So as you can see, the quality of the softcover is just as good as the hardcover. So as you know, soft covers, they don't last quite as long as hardcovers, and with other books, they may get damaged depending on the thickness of the pages. But for this order, and after just my conversation with our vendor, it's very well done. It's nice. Look at that. It's just the spine, everything's intact. It looks good. Look at that. Wow. And then you can see just like a little, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's just like a slight curvature on just like the white specks in the background of the book. And then there's like a sheen, a gloss, like on the volume 2 preview cover. And you can just see a little bit of that. And you can just see like how much detail. I applaud all the artists that worked on all the images, the illustrations, everything. Hammonds, our artists, very, very appreciative of artists. We will just have to continue and just hope that we have a good volume 2. So I'm very excited. So I'm trying not to get that in my head yet. Just the launch. I'm not trying to think of volume 2 except for just getting the pages done for volume 2. But as far as a Kickstarter campaign for volume 2, I don't know if I have the mental headspace at the moment, because as you know, volume 1, it was just, yeah, it's because you get really nervous and you don't know if you're going to make the goal potential that it can bring. So, and I'm just grateful for every single person that is a part of this project. And guys, as I was doing the thank yous, by the way, these are some of the products that I purchased that's going to help me with fulfillment for you guys. So I have the scale, and I have the, oh wait, I believe this one's the scale. Yeah, this one is the scale. And this is where I'm going to just weigh your individual items and, you know, together, and then just have the correct packing slip and sending it over your way. So I'm excited. So I can't wait. So if you ever want to just film yourself opening up your package or anything like that, I'll be happy to like and watch the video and things like that. So if you ever want to post any pictures of comic that you received in the mail, that'll be amazing. But this is how it's pretty. It's nice, and I really like the pink. It's fun. It makes doing business seem like a blast. So I thought it was just really cute. And I have another container, and it's the packing slip printer. So very cool. So it's the logistics printer. Very nice. And that's also gonna be, preferably, I don't want to go to like a post office or UPS store with like all these packages without packing slips and having to like talk to the person behind the counter and just, you know, them weighing it and then them having to slap on the sticker, me filling out the information, the address, when I can just do it in the privacy, safety of my own home, the convenience of my own home. So I feel like this is a great buy, and it's a great investment, especially if we're going to have so much to ship out. And I am crossing my fingers and hoping that we will continue to be shipping out everything continuously. So I'm hoping, here's the hoping, guys. And then there we go. It's wireless, and also it's able to be connected to the PC, computer, things like that. Really nice. I already have a system ahead of how I'm just going to do everything, and then just hopefully we just send this all out, and then we don't get caught in like the holiday rut when it comes to shipping. So that's what I'm concerned about. But don't worry, we're making on good timing, and I'm just hoping on staying that way. And if you guys do know, we have the Jackie and the Magical Guys website. It's called magicalguys.com. So if you do want to check out this really cool link, it's to thank you all. So I'm just very, very appreciative of every single person here, everyone watching, everyone that's part of the campaign, whether or not, you know, you're just a reader and you just are thinking about maybe, hey, like you want to borrow this from one of your friends, or anyone who's curious about Jackie and the Magical Guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We have all our Kickstarter backers here, guys. So many amazing names. Also, I am shocked. I recognize some of like my high school classmate names. Thank you guys so much. Like as I was clicking and just like putting all the names on the Jackie and the Magical Guys website, I saw some like familiar names and also new names that I don't recognize as well. Thank you and welcome. Welcome everybody. So everyone, you are all truly so appreciated. And I am just so continuously grateful for everything that you've done. So it is no small feat to me, actually, because I know that especially during this time, like putting your hard-earned money into something of leisure, that's really big to me, because like what I'm providing is just like mere entertainment. And to me, I feel like it's something that needs to be shared with the world. But on that moment where you took that chance on me and hoping to help me develop these character, like helping me share these characters with the world, you allowing me to breathe life into these stories and letting me do this and potentially make a living off of this, that is something that I just, gosh, it really means a lot. Thank you guys. As I stare at all these boxes, as I stare at all these books, is just the fact that it's here, and then we're sharing this with everyone, and then it's a story that's going to continue, and it's hopefully going to continue, and it's all due to your support and everyone that you share this with. And I can't thank you all enough, every single person. All right, so that's it for our YouTube video and our most recent update. More updates to come, very exciting. Can't wait to show you pretty much every step of the way up until shipping, everything that I'm pretty much up to and working on. And I just want to make sure that you're kept in the loop with what I'm doing. And I really can't thank you enough for just being part of this and being part of this whole entire experience. And I hope that you have such a magical day and that you just continue to smile as much as you've made me smile and made me so happy. And I hope that comes back towards you. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. Good night and good day. Bye.